Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how can transfer money from PayPal to Binance step by step. Even if you are a beginner, so you are not looking to move your funds from trading crypto or just a simple guide, you are in the right place. Stick around because I will also share a few important tips to save fees and avoid common mistakes. First of all, here's something you need to know. You can't send money directly from PayPal into Binance, but don't worry, it's, it's still very easy. We just need to use a small bridge like a crypto marketplace or peer-to-peer transfer. Before we dive in, here we will need a PayPal account with available balance, a Binance account verified, optionally a P2P buyer or third-party service that accepts payment PayPal payments. And if you don't have a Binance account yet, no worries. I will leave a sign up link below with some bonus perks. Alright, let's start with the easiest method, Binance P2P. Here's the full workthrough. First of all, log into Binance account. On the home page, tap Trade, then P2P trading. This is where real people buy and sell crypto directly using PayPal, bank transfer, and more. Next, we want to find seller who accept PayPal. Tap on the filter button or click payment and select PayPal from here. If your country supported this, but my country not supported the PayPal right now, so choose your currency like USD or Euro. You can and set the payment method to PayPal. Just click buy USDT. Look for sellers will with high completion rate, at least 95%, like that. Good number of dates, positive reviews. Click on a seller and double check their minimum and maximum limits. Tap buy USDT, and tap the USD section and type your amount you will receive and select from here the PayPal account, then click buy USD. You will see the seller's PayPal information. Now it's time to send the payment. Go to PayPal app or website, log into your PayPal account. Send the exact amount to their email. from pay and get paid, then click send money option. Now enter their email here and set your amount. Once you have sent the money, come back to Binance and now just wait for the seller to release the crypto. It usually takes a few minutes. Quick tip: when buying through P2P recommended P2P, I recommend buying USDT first. That is stable coin tied to the US dollar. It's super easy to trade USDT later for Bitcoin, Ethereum, or anything else on Binance. Now, a few important tips about fees and staying safe. P2P trades usually have zero Binance fees, but check PayPal's side. They might charge small transaction fees. Never pay outside of the platform and agree to private deals. If anything feels weird, you can open a dispute on finance support. So that's it. You just moved money from PayPal to Binance. Super easy, right? If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.